Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your makeup game with professional level results, the TEMPTU Pro Plus Premier Airbrush Kit. This is an airbrush makeup set designed for professionals, but can it really deliver flawless results for everyday users too? Let's break it down and find out. So what exactly does this kit include? It comes with a silicone-based foundation starter set, an airbrush cleaning kit, and a lightweight airbrush tool. The promise here is high-performance makeup that provides buildable coverage, from sheer to full, and a flawless, long-lasting finish that stays all day. It's touted to be travel-friendly, versatile, and only weighs a pound. Pretty impressive for a professional kit. When I first tried the TEMPTU Pro Plus kit, the setup process was fairly easy. The airbrush gun itself feels sleek and ergonomic, fitting comfortably in the hand. The included foundation shades are well suited for a variety of skin tones, and the silicone-based formula blends effortlessly into the skin. It gives a nice, natural finish, which I loved. Almost airbrushed, but without feeling heavy or cakey. One of the first things I noticed was how lightweight and portable it is. I didn't feel like I was lugging around an industrial-sized piece of equipment. The travel-friendly design is definitely a win if you're someone who's always on the go. Plus, it really is lightweight, just 1 pound, so it doesn't weigh down your makeup bag or kit. In terms of performance, the airbrush system delivers smooth, even coverage. Whether you go for a sheer layer for a fresh, dewy look, or build it up to a fuller coverage, it does the job without streaking or settling into fine lines. The foundation holds up well throughout the day, which is a must for anyone who needs their makeup to last from morning to night. I wore it for a full workday and didn't need any touch-ups, which is pretty impressive. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the airbrush system is easy to use, it can take a little bit of practice, especially if you're not familiar with airbrush makeup techniques. The fine mist is easy to control once you get the hang of it, but it might take a few tries to perfect your application. Also, while the cleaning kit is a great addition, maintaining the airbrush tool can be a little tedious. Cleaning it thoroughly after each use is essential to keep it in good condition. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. On the plus side, it's lightweight, easy to set up, and delivers excellent buildable coverage with a natural finish. The portability and the inclusion of a cleaning kit are also big wins. On the flip side, it might not be the best option for beginners who are new to airbrush makeup. It does take a little bit of time to get comfortable with, and the maintenance, while manageable, requires a bit more effort than traditional makeup tools. When it comes to value for money, this kit is priced at a premium, but it's worth it if you're looking for a professional-grade airbrush system that you can take on the go. The results speak for themselves. Flawless, long-lasting makeup without the heavy feel of traditional foundations. If you're someone who frequently does makeup for others or enjoys having a top-tier setup at home, this product is definitely a good investment. If you're wondering how this stacks up against other airbrush kits, the TEMPTU Pro Plus stands out with its portability, ease of use, and high-quality performance. Some of the more affordable options on the market don't offer the same buildable coverage or long-lasting wear. However, if you're just starting with airbrush makeup and don't want to commit to a professional kit, you might want to consider less expensive alternatives to get your feet wet. As for build quality, the TEMPTU Pro Plus kit is top-notch. The airbrush tool is sturdy and feels durable, and the materials used are high quality. The foundation formulas are also well made, offering a nice balance of coverage without being too thick or heavy. If properly maintained, I expect this kit to last quite a while. In terms of customer support, TEMPTU has a solid reputation for responding quickly to inquiries, and their products generally come highly recommended by professionals in the industry. I didn't have any direct experience with customer service for this specific kit, but based on the brand's reputation, I'd trust their support if any issues arose. In conclusion, the TEMPTU Pro Plus Premier Airbrush Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance airbrush makeup system. It provides long-lasting, buildable coverage, is easy to use once you get the hang of it, and is extremely portable. While it's an investment, I'd recommend it for makeup enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone who values quality in their beauty tools. If you're after flawless, airbrushed makeup every time, this kit will not disappoint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.